Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to make a video for all of those guys and girls out there who want to learn more about copywriting, improve their copywriting skills, or just start in copywriting, okay? So what I want you to do is to go to this website. It is called swipe.co. I will leave the link in the description for you to check out. But in here you will find lots of examples of great copywriters for you to check and analyze. Okay, you can find here example of ads that have made millions of dollars in the past, you know, in newspapers, TV commercials, radio stations, but you will also be able to find newest ad campaigns that are used on the internet, in Facebook, on Google. Okay, there are tons of niches as well, so depending on what you sell, what type of service you provide, you can look into those. But the key thing about going into this site is to study these ads, see really what they were using, you know, the type of psychology that is behind those ads, analyze those, try to model them, practice, and put into action in your next campaign. Okay, this is something I've been doing as part of the course, you know, the copywriting course that I bought last week from Carmine Mastropierro, one of the best copywriters in the world. I will leave the link in the description as well of his free copywriting course. It's going to help you a lot if you are starting in this world. This is my recommendation. Go to swipe.co. You are going to learn a lot. Use it for practice, use it for improving your skills, use it to create newer campaigns and test those with your business, okay? That was everything I have for you today. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. I'm making videos every single day. And with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen. And I'll see you in the next one.